There it goes. Think it'll stand?
It's standing!
Nice, Jake. Good job, man. Okay. Look at that. Okay. Be careful. You know what's kind of fun is I'm taking it from... Well, be careful. I'm taking it from the view that no one can... They can't really tell how high it is. Okay, let's move the table away, right? Or the bench, sorry. Okay, look at this thing you made, Momo. Oh my cow. So stand next to it or stand in front of it. Oh, nice job, Jake. Can't even get it in this whole screen. Whoa.